Hi, welcome to Linda's TV show. If it is your first time and you like this video and the channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload video, you'll be the first person to check it out. I want to appreciate all of you, my viewers, my subscribers, my amazing people, for always as we hop into today's video. Please watch, leave your comment down below.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Bennett Chinedu Daniel, popularly known as Acapella, aka Goody Boy, renowned stand-up comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and a dollar remix. They follow on top. This video, I'm addressing the executive governor of Imo State, Uzodinma. In Igbo language, Uzodinma means road good, and a road way good, and they pass. In the longest of time, the military presence in Imo State has been alarming, especially on the local government area where I come from. I am actually from a local government, and so is the governor of the state. Mr. Governor, will they look you since? So will they look you since? They kill your people. They kill your people. They kill my people. My mother day east. Every time I call her, they panic. She go tell me how they can't come out of the house, how everywhere is like this and how everywhere is like that. You governor, you quiet to. Just yesterday here, the defense minister came out to tell Nigerians how may they know they run from bandits, may they protect themselves. The ESN, the Eastern Security Network, they come to protect themselves. And what I could do west now. Bandits for north, they send Gumi, they go negotiate. A governor, Zamfara State governor, came out to say not all bandits are criminal. That is like saying not all Nigerians are Africans. You understand me? Not all women are female. Now that may see how governor they sound to protect young people. You quiet. They carry the team from Olu now they are in Osu. Go check history, governor. You don't get any city where military presence invade where they remain the same. You quiet, they kill your people. For the longest of time, we just look you. They wait, maybe you do something or maybe you talk something. If federal government don't get sense, you go join them.
Just want to use this to distract their inabilities of doing what they are supposed to do in their country. Are we fighting war? We are not fighting war. Why are they using airstrike to terrorize Olu people? Why are Nigerian army trooping into Olu? Are we fighting war? Is Eastern Security Network a terrorist group? This is just a security network for crying out loud. Anyway, guys, listen to what this woman is saying. But I want to tell anybody that is listening to this video, do not worry. If you are a Biafra, you believe in Biafra, don't give hope. Biafra is at hand, because trust me, the international community, they know everything. They are just waiting for the appropriate time for them to act before they will start acting. So let's listen to what she's saying. Come to the comment section and tell me what you think. But I believe every damn thing that this woman said in this video, because she meant it.
Come, governor, do something. Do something. This is not the first video I just say, man, I don't reach out to you. Man, I'll tell you one or two. You say after this one, we'll address it properly.
Hello, my people. No bossing ketata, I come also no bossing ketata. Onyam joke ya we be no bossing ketata, but onya na bo hopeless. Hope ozo dem ma ono ya adre na mma. Makara this man na bo hope ozo dem ma omuri ke dre na mma. Mani yozo di oku di ki bi anchori oku no bossing ketata. Bono onyo bona supposed to be careful. I'm talking to my brothers and sisters from Imolite, because we are the Imolites. We are the Imo indigenous. We are the Biafrans. This man they call Hope was the man that came from backyard through APC party. This man, I always told people, when you watch my video on 23 February 2020, before I was interrupted by Facebook, I said something about this man, and I knew that they must put this man to rule Imo State, because they have been looking Imo State for a long time during the time of Okora Awosa or Aboga Awosa, because they want to use Aboga Awosa to achieve all those things that they want to achieve in Imo State. But unfortunately, his son-in-law didn't win the election. And when Ihedioha win this election, now they believe that Ihedioha can never do anything, he can never help them, and they want to restore Uzodimma, because Uzodimma is the slave of the caliphate. Uzodimma abu slave undi alamajiri. Uzodimma is the person they find out that he is the one that can carry that mission. When I was saying all those things on that February 23, I know a lot of people came to me and was telling me that that was not the final judgment. I knew about it. I knew that Tanko Mohammed must restore him. Tanko Mohammed must manipulate and put him there. And those people call themselves judiciary. That's monkeys and bamboos that's sitting down there that knows nothing. They don't know what the law is all about. But I am still telling my people today that you people should be careful about this man called Hope Uzodimma, because this Hope Uzodimma, believe in me, he may test positive. So whenever he's coming on your people's mix, be careful, run for your life. Hope Uzodimma never mean good for you. And I come again to expose him, the remaining one that he remained. Because last time when I made this video, I want to continue it, but unfortunately they interrupt with me, they block me. But today I have the time to finish with him, because I have to tell people why he was put to be a governor of Imolite. We the Imolites, because we are the Imolites. We are the one of the center of the Biafra, and they really want to conquer us. If they conquer us, we the Imolites, the Biafrans have begun to sink. But I know that the history that I have read will also tell me that they can never done it. They can't conquer us. But I want to tell you, my people, I always tell you, my people, that I'm not a prophet. I don't give you prophecy, but I believe in reality, and humanity must take control. That is what I am always tell people. Our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the prophet of our time. I am not a prophet. Everything I'm saying today, I'm saying it according to what he has said. What he has said. We try to revise his back for some of our people to begin to understand. Makanihe Imo State is very, very wrong. And we must expose everything. Otu dịka ibe ya, ana m agwa ụnụ, onye ọbụla ma ebe Hope Uzodimma nọ. Be careful of Hope Uzodimma. Hope Uzodimma, every day by day, ka ọ na-eje ekpe this man a na-akpọ Jubril Aminu Sudani, ọ na-ekpe ya n'aka every day. Abba Kyari, onye bụkwanụ the president of Nigeria, ọkwanụ onye tiri ya there. So ihe ọbụla ọ na-eme, onye ọbụla kwesịrị be careful, maka that man dị njọ. Hope Uzodimma bụ njọ. Njọ so ya. Hope Uzodimma. Oh ya koji we megide, they have succeeded. When I was telling people that they will succeed plotting that man, that bingo called Uzodimma, they was trying to tell me that the final judgment haven't take place. And I know that even though the final judgment will take place, they will put him there, because Nigeria has no law. They are lawless country. I saw some man, they came out, they were saying that the land of the law, the law of the land is the final say. And which land and which law you are talking about? You are calling Nigeria a land, or you are calling it a nation? Geographical that is not working. A business place of British people? Company, Niger Royal Company, you are calling a country? People must be daft. If you believe in one Nigeria and you say you are in Nigeria, you must be daft. Because all of you people are very stupid and senseless and has no ability to reason. I am here to conclude what Hope Uzodimma is also about to bring, because it's coming. I said it before. After I make that video, within 3 days, he showed his side of royalty to the Caliphate Alamajiri. He showed it, pop and play, by giving Emir of Imo State. But now, my people, I want to tell you reality. I don't want everybody to get shocked. It's about this thing I'm about to say. But I'm telling you the reality. That is reality, nothing but reality. But we have to take it. But we must fight against it. Aya ano ya makana onwere emegide no waka ha we no aye ebo mu chukwu okike abiama. Ndị gbuo ka ya ebo ị na-afụ anyị ịfụ na ebu ndị gbuo ọ bụ anyị ka ekere oge chukwu na-eke ụwa ọbụ anyị nwa ka o kere fọma anyị nwa ka anyị si wee gbasapụ obodo ọbụla ọ ya mere anyị ji aza efe anyị chukwu ụmụ anyanwụ chukwu okike okechukwu.
Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time or first day of coming across my YouTube channel or seeing my page, you are highly welcome. Please willkommen zu meinem Kanal. My name is Linda Chukwueze. A button that says subscribe and you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be able to get information on the.
Bis zum nächsten Video und einen schönen Tag. Tschüss.
Tschüss. Bis man subscribe to Linda's TV show. What are you waiting for? Click on that red button that says subscribe. You turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting more updates from me. Leave your comments down below and share this video with your friends, families, and colleagues until we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.